makers, Melly here from AGF, and today I'm sewing with the sweetest new collection from AGF Studio called Little Clementine. The soft pinks and powdery blues are perfect shades for any kid's room. Meet Mr. Penny, one of the many friends of Little Clementine. How cute is this cycling scarf-wearing bear? Let me introduce you to more of Little Clementine's furry friends, and join me in making this adorable 9-patch frame block.
If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below to find all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. To fussy cut this cute little bear from the fabric, place a 4.5-inch square clear ruler over the design you want to cut. Using a rotating mat rocks because you can cut two sides, then rotate your mat and cut the other two sides without having to move the fabric. Now it is time to make your corner triangle strips. On the wrong side of all your 2.5-inch squares from fabric B and D, draw a diagonal line corner to corner with a fabric marking pen. Take your 2.5 by 4.5-inch rectangles from fabric C and place your 2.5-inch squares right sides together to the end of your rectangle with the diagonal lines facing in like this. Then sew on the line you drew. Trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch and press open. Now we are going to repeat the same process with your 2.5-inch squares from fabric D. Place your squares at the other end of your rectangle with the diagonal lines facing in, and sew on the line you drew. Trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch and press open. Pair your corner triangle strips together like this, and sew up 4 blocks. To create our last units, draw diagonal lines with a fabric marking pen on your 2.5-inch squares from fabric C, and place them right sides together to the inside corners of your squares from fabric E. Sew on the line you drew and trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch and press open. Now we have all the units to create our block. Sew your rows together matching up seams. Sew your rows together making sure seams are pressed in alternating directions, and your adorable 9-patch frame block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection.
Our 9-patch frame block is complete, and we created this block just by using the corner triangle method, which is a fun, easy method that you could use to create so many different quilt designs. If you want to see more fun projects made with Little Clementine fabrics, make sure to check out our project fabric catalog. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy sewing. Hi everyone, it's me, a quilt block making machine. It's quilt block tutorial time. Quilt block tutorial time, yeah, yeah.